Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to bind Binance with an external service, step by step. First, log in to your Binance account and find the API management section. This is where you'll generate the necessary keys for secure connection. Create a new API key, giving it a descriptive label like Trading Bot 1 or Portfolio Tracker. Immediately after creation, carefully record both your API key and your secret key. These are crucial for the next steps. Next, it's vital to configure your API keys permissions correctly. Edit the restrictions to grant only the necessary access. For example, if you're using a trading bot, enable spot and margin trading. However, avoid enabling withdrawal permissions for security reasons. For an extra layer of protection, consider restricting IP access to a specific address provided by your external service. This ensures only authorized connections can use your key. Now, let's connect Binance to your chosen external service. Open your trading bot, portfolio tracker, or other platform. Look for a section typically labeled Exchange Connection or API Key Management. Here, you will input the API key and secret key you generated earlier from Binance. Double-check that you've entered both keys accurately to ensure a successful connection. This step is critical for the two platforms to communicate effectively. Finally, it's time to verify that your Binance account is successfully bound. Most external services offer a test connection feature. If not, try a small, non-critical action like fetching your current balance. Confirm that your Binance account data, such as your available funds, is accurately displayed within the external service. If you encounter any error messages, recheck your API key and permissions. A successful connection means you're ready to proceed with your automated tasks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.